Hey guys. Damn it, come on. Sorry, new phone. Fuck it, that's good enough. I ain't playing that. Yes, I am doing laundry. No, I cannot have a fucking break whatsoever. I am straight up fucking exhausted. You know what? Fuck it. My brothers just gave me this game not too long ago. Thanks to them, I can now play some Silent Hill. But I am tired. I'm fucking sober. I basically needed a fucking drink every fucking day just to get through my life. My life is that fucking boring. You know what? I don't want to say too much. You know what? I'm gonna play the second one. Fucking Pyramid Head. New voices. Original? I don't know. I can tell you this, I have not played this yet. If I did, I don't fucking remember it. Born from a Wish. Letter from Silent Haven. I'm gonna do this one. Fuck that. I'm going the pussy way. Fuck it. You can bitch at me all you want. That's all I ever deal with nowadays is bitching. Are you fucking kidding me? Goddamn controller.
Could you really be in this town?
What the